Cities worldwide are rethinking traffic. Beijing's AI lights extend greens by 115 seconds based on real traffic. World is deploying 5,000 AI cameras for adaptive signal control. Australia just launched its first AI traffic pilot. But most cities still use fixed timer signals, unchanged since the 1980s. Green lights wasted on empty roads. Vehicles idling at red lights with no traffic in sight. Signalway changes that. The APC 800 OSP traffic flow detection camera, 5 MP CMOS, AI processor, captures 8 data points: traffic count, speed, crew length, congestion state, and more. Visual installation, no road damage. Daytime capture accuracy, BLAMA's 95%. Works from -20 CS to +60 CCS. Ultra-low power consumption at just 12 watts. Data connects to signal controllers or central management platforms.
Traffic intersections. Urban roads. Smart cities. One camera, endless applications. Visit our website or DM for a demo.